Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 580 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Shopmissa item. So this is the Princessa Pearl Powder Eyeshadow. So like I just said, I got this from Shopmissa, so it's only $1, it's cruelty free, and it is one of the highest rated items that I've seen on the Shopmissa website, which makes me extra excited to try it out. So you can kind of see here, I have like a silvery shade. It's shade number 18, but this comes in 12 different shades on the Shopmissa website. And I'm really excited to play around with this product. So I'm thinking, they say eyeshadow, that I'm going to apply it to the eyes, but some of the reviews said that this is a great highlighter or just body shimmer. Since I have silver, well, I'm gonna swatch it, but I'm not so sure that this silver I would use as like a highlighter. But with some of those other shades, those lighter shades could be perfect as like a loose highlighter or a body shimmer. So I'm really excited to check this out. So, it does come with a little protective seal over it, but yes, this is a loose powder. For my swatch, I'm just gonna tap my finger into it, pick up a little bit of the product. Wow, it just started raining. My sunroof was making noise. I'm like, what? I did not realize it was going to rain today, and I just moved so much stuff back from my parents' house. So that is great timing that I did it right before it started raining, or else I would have got caught in the rain carrying in so much clothing. Oh, I just want this moving transition process to be over. Every time I go back to move more stuff from my parents' house into my new house, I get so overwhelmed and stressed out and sad. So I just want to finally have everything moved over. But you know what? Eventually I'll have it done. But so swatching this, it actually is, well, I can definitely see that silver to it, but it's lighter than I thought it would be based off of the shade that it looked in the container here. But it does have a very pretty shimmer to it. It's got good pigment and it's really soft, finely milled. So it looks very smooth on the skin now. So it's still a little bit too gray silver for my skin tone to be a highlighter, but I think, I mean, if I was doing like a fun kind of costume sort of makeup look, I could use this on the face, but I think it'll be a beautiful eyeshadow shade. But because of the texture and the shimmeriness to it, some of those other shades I would love as a highlighter with this type of texture and sheen, or as a body highlighter, or even just to add some sparkles to the lips, anything like that. But so, since I am going to be applying this to my eyes today, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. As you can see, you can apply it without any primer and it still looks pretty, but this is a little bit more sheer than what I'm hoping for. So I'm going to try it out with this primer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my finger. So I had been contemplating if I should do some other eyeshadow before trying out this product, so then I could use this as kind of like a focus shade or like a halo eye or something like that, instead of only applying this shade as part of this review. But then I decided, since I don't really know how this product is going to look, how this product is going to perform, that for today I'm just going to apply this shimmery pearl powder eyeshadow to my eyelid. But definitely if I was using this eyeshadow, this pearl powder, for like a normal everyday type of makeup look, I would definitely use other eyeshadows with it. So now I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush that's like a packing type of brush and just going to pick up some product. Ooh, yes, it's sticking right on to the glitter primer very easily. And that is showing up with beautiful, full, bright silver color. So the glitter primer worked perfectly to give me that effect that I wanted. I love that. So yes, this is definitely what I was hoping for. I think that this shade would look so good as like an inner corner towards the center of the eyelid type of shade. And then I would do like a darker eyeshadow on the corner and a crease shade, but oh my gosh, so pretty. There is a bit of fallout, so I would say do your eye makeup with this product before doing your skin makeup. But for the fun of it, I think I'll apply it to the other eye without the glitter primer and see how it can be more of a sheer touch of shimmer. Wow, look at that difference. That glitter primer works so good, but it's really cool to see how versatile this powder actually is, because you can just get the sheerest hint of shimmer, or you can get full silver color. So yeah, this is very buildable, and I'm able to get really good built up silver shade even without the glitter primer. So if you don't have a glitter primer, that's totally fine too. I really like how it looks on this eye too, where it's not too bright, but still really pretty shimmer. This seriously is such a nice powder. My phone just...
Okay, I turned on low power mode.
No, Siri, I wasn't talking to you. No. That's funny. What was I saying before Siri interrupted me? Yeah, I guess that I'm just very impressed by this powder, and I totally understand why it's so high rated, because it did everything I wanted a loose shimmer powder to do. So I definitely think that this is a type of product, because I've tried out some great versions from the Dollar Tree as well, from LA Colors, but I really don't think that you need to spend a lot of money on a loose shimmery powder. There were so many shades to choose from on the Shopmissa website, and I am really happy with this. I would definitely want it in other colors. And sometimes I'm intimidated by a product like this because it seems difficult to apply, it seems messy, but that was really easy actually to achieve this kind of more subtle shimmery look or an intense bold shade. Both ways of applying it were really easy, and this actually really makes me want to play around with loose shimmery powders for eyeshadow looks more often now that I realize it's really not that hard to apply. But let me know in the comments down below how you like to wear these loose shimmery powders, if you have any recommendations of eyeshadow looks that you've done that you really like using loose shimmery shades, so then maybe I can get some ideas and tips on ways to use this in the future. But seriously, I am very happy with this, and I definitely recommend it if you are looking for, you know, a loose shimmery eyeshadow for cheap. So cheap. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.